Today we're making something that I absolutely love, and I think you're going to love it too. Copycat Popeye's fried chicken strips. They are so good, they're so easy to make, and they are so quick, it's unbelievable. So I'm just going to try a little one now, and y'all go on over and see how it's done. I'll see you in a minute. So what I have here is chicken breast that's been sliced up, and I put it in buttermilk and hot sauce to marinate for 30 minutes. You can let it go for 45, but I wouldn't let it go too much longer than that because it will make it mushy. And then I have here is flour with the smoked paprika and chipotle powder and salt. And then over here that you can almost see is eggs and more buttermilk and more hot sauce. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the chicken out of here, and always try to cut the chicken pretty close to the same size because it'll cook more evenly that way. We're going to put it in the flour, dredge it, and I like to have two hands, one for the wet stuff and one for the dry stuff, but most of the time that doesn't work out for me because I forget which one is which. So now I'm going to put it in the egg, and then I'm going to put it back in the flour. So you just keep going, take the chicken out, dredge it in the flour, and dip it in the egg, and then back into your flour mixture. If you run out of flour mixture, it's no big deal, just make some more. If you don't have chicken, you can use cube steak, tenderized round steak, and you'll have something that's kind of like chicken fried steak. You can use pork, boneless pork. You could probably use fish. I don't eat fish, but I imagine it would be delicious. Your marinating times with the fish, you'd have to look that up because I can't help you with that. So we just keep doing that, and putting the chicken in the flour. And see, I told you my hands, I would get them messed up. Put the chicken in the flour, and then in the egg, and then back in our flour. So easy, such a simple thing to do. Very messy, but simple. Anybody can do that. In fact, if you really hate getting your hands icky, you know, the kids can do this part, the older kids, because, you know, you're working with raw chicken, you wouldn't want younger kids doing that. All right, our oil is up to 360. And there's several ways that you can do this. You can do it in a skillet like I'm doing here with about 2 inches of oil. You can do it in a deep fryer, or you can do it in an air fryer. I'm going to do it in a skillet because I didn't want to fill up the deep fryer. And what I'm using is peanut oil because that's my favorite thing to fry in. If you have a peanut allergy, you know, you definitely don't want to do that. Just use a plain vegetable oil. And carefully lay your chicken strip in there. You don't want to crowd them or get them too close together. You don't want to put them in too fast because it'll cool the oil down too much and they won't get crisp. But just about like that. And that's what they look like when they're ready. They're nice and crispy and golden. They're done in the middle to between 160 and 165. And we're just going to transfer these to a paper towel lined plate and put it in the oven until until all of them are done. And that's it, y'all. Crispy, tender, juicy, delicious. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, y'all, here they are. Yummy, delicious chicken strips. So crunchy, tender, spicy, really, really good with your favorite dipping sauce. I like barbecue sauce, but whatever you want is fine with me. Try this. It's so good. Your family's gonna like it. Your fast food lovers are gonna love it. And it's just amazing. So quick and easy. Absolutely so quick and easy. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.